Sanibona bafethu, ngizokhuluma ngoMfukeng la. Niyamazi bafethu uMfukeng, umdlali lo noPirates lo bafethu wanikeza uJose Riveiro ithuba. Ngikhumbula kahle the former teammate of uMfukeng uMhawu wasayinwa iclub yale Saudi Arabia ibani El-Ettifaq, yabo. Kwase kuphuma ama-rumors after bemsayinile uMhawu ukuthi uMfukeng naye uyafuna ile club le yale eSaudi Arabia. Lo marumazi ke ngifuna uqamba abantu abaningi bawathatha ngenye indlela. Yabo abantu abaningi bajabula ukuthi uMfukeng yes uyodla imali lapha le eEurope, not eEurope le Saudi Arabia, but ke abanye abaningi babesho ukuthi cha uMfukeng ngempela kumele aye le Saudi Arabia, kumele aqhubeke nebhola ayodlala le eEurope. Umjida indlela adlala khona udeserve ukuyodlala le eEurope umjida. Yabo there were mixed emotions regarding udaba kaMfukeng with le club le El-Ettifaq. Yabo mina ngokwami bengibona kungcono umjida ahamba ayodlala khona mfethu le Saudi Arabia, adla imali lapha ana le league lana competitive. There are many good players lapha basuka eEurope abadlala khona mfethu. So lana ngizele ukuzokhuluma le ndaba kaMfukeng with the rumors. Ngizokhuluma ngendaba yababwakhe. I feel like ubaba kaMfukeng angazi noma umina, but I feel like uMfukeng kumele athole management. Yes, I know it's a good thing ukuthi umanage abazali. Angazi noma mhlambe ikhona ini management behind uMfukeng, but so far I've seen ubaba wakhe ekhuluma nabayindaba. I don't know who gives isikhathi lo mjida lo baba Mfukeng ukuthi bam interview, because uku-interview ubaba Mfukeng I feel like lo nto izobhedisela izinto zikaMfukeng. Ade kukhulunywa ke lana beyindaba kuthiwa according to Rele Buhile's father Sechaba, Rele uthi uMfukeng kumele akhethe between imali and happiness. He have to choose between money, which is Saudi Arabia, and happiness, which is football in Europe. Iyona lento le azama ukuyichaza la. Uyasho uthi he's still young, he needs to compete in UEFA competition. If he goes to Saudi now, he won't experience that. Yes, he'd be rich, but happiness is more important. You can have all the money in the world, but if you are not happy, it's worthless. It's worthless. Angazi kona inalo iqiniso lenkulumo ayibekayo. Yabo inalo iqiniso, but when you look at uMfukeng is not the type of player you can take overseas afika adlalele iB team. He's not like Chandra Campbell. Some people may argue that Mfukeng is still playing at Orlando Pirates, but Chandra Campbell is playing there in Club Brugge. He's playing with Champions League. He didn't even get minutes with Champions League. He plays in the second team Club Brugge. It's like he's playing with the DC Club Brugge. He came from a SuperSport playing first team football with SuperSport, and he's playing lapha with the DC Club Brugge. So ngempela Mfukeng is not that type of player. You cannot take Mfukeng like South Africa uyomdlalisa kwi-youth team yama-team ase-Europe. Because abadlali bala e-Africa, they don't take them seriously le Europe. They don't take these guys seriously. So it kind of makes sense ukuthi Mfukeng ayodlala eSaudi Arabia. Maybe he will make his name there in Saudi Arabia and go to Europe, because ama-team ase-Europe akhona abadlali ababasayinayo vele lapha eSaudi Arabia. Bakhona abadlali ababasayinayo eSaudi Arabia. uDean Henderson that was playing for this team i-Al-Ettifaq, he ufunwa ile club le edlala kwi-Premier League right now. I think iBrentford. Ubedlala la kwi-Al-Ettifaq. He's a former Liverpool player. Yabo, many people said when he was going to i-Al-Ettifaq le Saudi Arabia i-career yakhe izophela, because most of players who go there ama-careers abasuke yophela because lapha anabayela imali. Umshidi ufike wadlala kahle, wahamba wajoin Ajax, usezosuka kwi-Ajax abuyelele kwi-Premier League ayodlalela iBrentford. Yabo, so nawo Mfukeng unalo ithuba lokuthi abuyelele eEurope. Akhona ama-team vela so afuna ukusayina abadlali eSaudi Arabia. Yabo, so mina ngokwami I think uMfukeng mfethu kumele le decision ayihlalele phansi, mhlawumbe ayihlale ne-agent yakhe, angahlali kakhulu nomndeni. I think umndeni umjida, yes umndeni ungamguide lapho umguide khona, but I think ama-agent iwona akumele ahandlishe abadlali abanjengoMfukeng. uMfukeng phela is not a typical player. He's not any player. He's a superstar. As a superstar, you have to be managed by people who know how to manage big clients. He's a big client. each and every agent ekhona la eSouth Africa ingajabula ukumanage uMfokeng. I-management yankota ikwazile ukumthatha imbekele eSaudi Arabia. Yabo, ikwazile ukumthatha imbekele eSaudi Arabia. Uzubona ukuthi unkota umanage abantu abayazi into abayenzayo. But ke let's hope abazali bakhe uMfokeng abamfaka imfethu endleleni ebhedayo. Let's hope they know what they want for the boy, because I remember when the news ukuthi uMfokeng ufuna iclub yase-Israel. Yabo baba Mfokeng wayekhala impela ukuthi umfana wakhe kumele ayodlala le Europe. Uyakhala impela ukuthi angimele adlale la kwiPirates. Enye into efuse ngifuna ukuyisho, baba Mfokeng akumele amfose kakhulu ukhoze ukuthi umfana wakhe kumele amdedela ayodlala le Europe, because once wazama ukufaka ukhoze khoneni ilapho khona izinto iqala ebhede khona. Ukhoza akumele umpressure, akumele umfake ipressure. Uyazi ukuthi yena wenzani, ulindele i-team la ezoletha imali esile etafuleni. Umfokeng ngiyazi avela amdedele kalula kanjalo, ngeke avela adedelwe kalula kanjalo. I-team kumele ikhiphe imali yangempela. We need millions ukuze sidedele uMfokeng. Ngeke simdedele mahala lo mdlalo. He's a diamond. Yes, we've let go of unkota, but we've bought also na police. So yabo siyabalansisa. Masidedela lo kuzoxaka but for me I think umjida kumele ahambe. Yabo kumele ahambe, but ubaba wakhe mfethu kumele yathi ukuhlehla kancane ayekela ama professionals athi uyihandlisha le ndaba. Ngangitshela ama comments bafethu nizizwa kanjani nale ndaba lesi. Should uMfokeng consider happiness over imali? Remind you, the boy is only 20 years old. The boy is only 20 years old. Should he consider happiness over money? He has all the time in the world. He may play 3 years there. We'll say after 3 years, maybe go to Europe. Yabo, he has all the time in the world right now. Usengabuyela la South Africa. Usengabuyela. Play 3 years, we'll say ahambe isena 23 ayodlala eEurope. Usanesikhathi umjida. He still have time in his hands. Mase eEurope ngeke bamthathe serious lento engizama ukuyisho. Mhlawumbe abanye abaningi bazosho ukuthi ayivane ngeke ivane. Ayivane ngeke. But mina I've seen guys going to Europe befike bengaphumeleli. I'm not trying to make an example ngo Campbell because Chandra Campbell, but all I'm saying is that these guys kumele benze show ukuthi i-career yengane bayigada. Kumele benze show ukuthi i-career yengane bayinakekela. Yabo, kumele nje benze show ingane bese incane kabi ukuthi ingahlala la eSouth Africa iqhubeke mfethu idlalele iPirates. Yes, kumele e-Europe, but isengane se-Saudi Arabia. iPirates mhlawumbe usengahle but I don't think. Angazi ngempela. Ungangitshela ama comments mfethu, ungangitshela ama comments, but for me umjida kumele mfethu ayoyithola le imali ezothola unkota.